Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my first lesson of D2, chapter number 4, exercise 4D, factorization by grouping. Before going to the lesson, there are some basic key terms that we have to understand, that what are the factors, factorization and methods of factorization. Let's first discuss the methods of factorization. The first method of factorization is factorization by hit and trial method or midterm breakage. We have studied a lot about this method in our previous lessons. If you find any difficulty about this lesson, you can watch my previous lessons. Then factorization by using special algebraic identities, that is a square plus minus 2ab plus b square equals to a plus minus b whole square, and the difference between two squares, that is a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. Then the third method is factorization by extracting common factor. Whenever we will have two terms or three terms and those three terms are not the pure and standard quadratic expressions, in order to factorize those quadratic expressions, we will extract common factor in form of k into a plus b. Then factorization by grouping. Whenever we will have four terms, we will divide those four terms into the groups of like terms, and we have to extract common factor from each group, and finally we have to extract the common group out. Let's move to the exercise. If we look at question number 1 of exercises, question says factorize the following expressions completely. A pay part is 45x square minus 81xy. We can see that the coefficients 45 and 81 are not perfect squares, but we can extract some number as a common factor. Like table of 9 is common for both, I will extract 9 from numbers, and if we look at x and x square, x is common factor here. So now I have to put the bracket. Then I have to see that for 45, table of 9 goes for how many times? 9 5s are 45, and from x square, x is out, I will left with 5x. Then I have to copy the sign as it is. Then I have to think about that for 81, I have to read the table of 9 how many times? 9 9s are, and from xy, x is already out and I'm left with y only. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to the next question. The next question is 39xy minus 15x square z. If we look at 39 and 15, we can see table of 3 is common. So I'll write 3 outside, and from letters x is common. So inside the bracket, I will left with 3 how many times 39? That is 13 y minus 3 how many times 15? 3 5s are 15. And from x square, I've extracted x out and I will left with x and z. I hope this question is clear. These questions are really easy. For these questions, you need to have the understanding on tables. Then moving to the next part. The next part is x square, y square, z square minus x square, y cube. Now if you look at x and x square, x is the common factor, and from y square and y cube, y square is the common factor. Extract it out. Now I have extracted x out, y square out, and from the first place I will left with z square minus from x square I have extracted x out, so I will left with x, and from y cube, y square is out, so inside the bracket I'll put y. I hope this question is clear. Let's move to the next question. Next question is minus 15 pi x cube y minus 10 pi x cube. Now, if you look at minus sign, this minus sign is available at both places, so I will extract it out. For 15 and 10, table of 5 is common, so I will extract it out, and pi as well is constant, so I will extract it out. And x cube is present at both places, so I have to extract it out. So for 15, I have to read the table of 5 how many times? 3. And now pi and x cube are out, so I will left with y only. Coming to the second part, as I have extracted minus sign, so I will mark positive sign here. And 5 how many times is 10? 2. And pi and x cube are already out, so 3y plus 2. I hope you are clear about these all questions. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Please like and share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time, and write your comments in comment section. Thank you.